This is a 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback. The Precision Restorations is restoring. Not only are we restoring this car, it's kind of being turned into a hot rod here. All the door handles and locks are going to be shaved. It's getting a 351 Windsor with a blower on top. On top of that, the car will have an entire Heidt steering, suspension, and brake system. And right here, you can see the Heidt's front cross member that we have welded in. You can also see on the sides here where the shop has ground down and reinforced the frame rails. So keep watching as this project progresses.